What if I told you that you don't need to spend $1,000 to get an amazing drone? After testing 15+ budget drones, I found 5 hidden gems under $100 that actually deliver 4K video, stable flight, and insane features, but one of them will shock you with how good it is. Stick around because number 3 might be the best bang for your buck, and number 1? It's a total game changer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the best deals. Let's take off. Number 1. DJI Teao Drone. This small drone fits in the palm of your hand and weighs only 80 g. Its robust design combined with DJI flight technologies ensure that you can always fly with confidence. Perform flying stunts. You can also perform 8 different somersaults by moving your finger on the screen and letting it fly up and down from your hand in bounce mode. 13-minute flight time. The high-performance battery from Teao offers an impressively long flight time, making it one of the longest flight times in the mini drone category. Programmable. You can learn the basics of programming while having fun. By using Scratch, a coding system developed by MIT, you can program your own flight patterns with the Teao. Number 2. DEERK Drone. The D20S drone is equipped with a perfect for capturing stunning high-resolution photos. Simplify your shooting process with remote 90 degrees angle adjustment and gesture photo functions. Share your beautiful moments with just one click. Durable alloy offer excellent wind resistance, delivering faster, quieter, and more powerful flight performance. Compared to similar products, there are few brushless motor configurations on the market, and the D20S drone is the king of cost performance. The foldable design makes the drone lighter and more portable. Equipped with brushless motors, it ensures stronger performance and more stable flights. 2 batteries offer a long flight time of up to 30 minutes, ideal for everyday use. Number 3. Stone HS110D FPV RC Drone. You can capture memorable moments with distortion-free and view images on your phone from the wide-angle lens. The app enables you to expand your creativity further and share it on social media with ease. Altitude hold. When you focus on shooting images, you may set your hands off the joystick and the drone still suspend in mid-air with locked altitude. A perfect drone for beginners, kids, starters, or newbies to have an easy and stable flight experience. Headless mode. The pilot will feel easier to control, especially when the drone is out of sight, under headless mode while the orientation of the drone is in relation to the pilot. The drone are also equipped with 3D flips to make your day. Number 4. Lulin Drones. Lulin. There is an optical flow positioning sensor on the underside. It allows the drone to automatically hover and maintain its position to shoot stable and clear footage. 60 minutes flying time supplied with 3 rechargeable batteries. The total flying time is more than 60 minutes, around 20 minutes per battery. Similar drones' battery life are only around 7 minutes, ours is increased by more than 50%. Aesthetic design. This is a fantastically designed drone, well built and very solid. Children will be delighted with its appearance. Wrapped gift. Super easy to fly. You will be surprised just how easy it is to use, perfect for beginners. It only takes a little practice to become a confident drone pilot. Drones for kids. Number 5. Stone FPV Drone. Durable brushless motors feature better wind resistance, providing faster, quieter, and more powerful flight. It avoids the problem of ordinary motors burning out during long flights and lasts longer. Safe and long flight time, with 2 rechargeable batteries which extends the flight time to 28 minutes, providing a worry-free flying experience. The modular batteries are easy to charge and replace. The remote controller emits a low battery warning, ensuring beginners never lose their drone. Super easy for beginners. This FPV drone comes with 1 key takeoff/landing, tap fly, altitude hold, headless mode, 2 speed modes and emergency stop functions make it extremely friendly for kids and beginners. The operation is easy and fun. Intelligent and fun. Gesture control help you take a quick shot. Simply raise your hand or pose V sign. The drone will take photos and videos, draw a path on the phone screen, and the drone can automatically along with the routes you set. More exciting can be achieved in the app. So, Which of these budget drones are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments. If this video saved you money, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insane tech deals. All the purchase links? You know where to find them, down in the description. Until next time, happy flying. Asterisk.